Hi friends, today we are learning about the topic is Newton's divide difference formula. Here this method is useful to find out an unknown function. That means before methods we can see for finding unknown function we can use derivatives by Newton's forward, derivatives by Newton backward interpolation methods. Here those methods are useful to find out the unknown function. The values of x are equally spaced. Here Newton's divide difference formula is useful to find out the not equally spaced points. That means not equally spaced values. The given values of x are not equally spaced. In that condition we use Newton's divide difference formula for finding an unknown function. Here we see this method is useful to find out the derivatives. That means we know that derivatives, we already know first derivative, second derivative. For finding the derivatives we can use Newton's divide difference formula when the given values of x are not equally spaced points. The given values, that means the given data is xy. We can assume the values of given values are x and y. The values of x are not equally spaced points. Here the x0, x1, x2, x3 values are not equally spaced. In that condition we better to choose Newton's divide difference formula for finding a unknown function. Here we can see the formula for finding Newton's divide difference unknown function by using Newton's divide difference formula. Here we can see the formula. Here we see the formula for finding an unknown function. Newton's divide difference formula can represent as y of x. This is an unknown function. The formula is y of x naught. That means y naught. The value of y of x naught we can say y naught plus x minus x naught into y of x naught x1 plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into y of x naught x1 x2 and plus x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x2 and y of x naught x1 x2 x3 plus, and similarly find x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x2 x minus x3 and y of x naught x1 x2 x3 x4 and so on for finding an unknown function by using Newton's divide difference formula. This is the formula for finding an unknown function. Here to substitute the values of y of x naught x1 and x naught and y of x naught x1 x2 by using Newton's divide difference table. Here we see that Newton's divide difference table, the given values of x and y are we known. The values of x and y, we write this table and we can find out the first difference and second difference and similarly third difference and so on. Depending upon the given values we can find out the first, second and third and so on differences. Here we see the first difference. That means the formula for finding first difference is y1 minus y0 by x1 minus x0 gives the value y of x0 x1. Here we see the formula. Here first value we know the x value. Here the x value means the given unknown function is y of x. For finding y of x, the value x represents this x value. Okay, for finding we know the x value, and similarly we know x naught value. Here in table the given values are x naught we know and x1 we know, x2 we know, x up to the given last value up to the last xn value we know. Here first difference for finding an unknown function is y1 minus y0 by x1 minus x0 equals to y of x0 x1, and similarly y2 minus y1, that means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 gives the value of y of x1 x2, and similarly y of y3 minus here the y3 minus y2 by x3 minus x2 gives the value of y of x2 and x3. Similarly second difference, here the second difference is y of x1 minus x2, y of x1 x2 minus y of x0 x1 by, here the difference in between these two is, here the x0 x2 is the in between the difference of y of x1 x2 minus y of x0 x1 by x2 minus x0 gives the value y of x0 x1 x0 x1 x2. And similarly, second difference of second term is y of x2 minus x3, y of x2 minus x3 minus y of x2 x3 minus y of x1 x2 by x3 minus x1 gives the value of y of x1 x2 x3. Similarly, third difference gives the value. Similarly, the third difference is the difference of these two values gives the value of third difference, that is y of x0 x1 x2 x3. Here in this way we can find out the Newton's divide difference table, and finally we substitute these values in given formula and we get the Newton's divide difference formula at a first derivative or second derivative depending upon way of asking questions. We can find out the formula. Here let's see the small example related to this Newton's divide difference formula. Here let's see the example. Here for finding y dash of 4, that means y dash of 4 means dy by dx, first derivative of the x value is given, the x value is 4. From the following table, in given table the values of x and y are given. We see the values of x and y. The values of x are 1, 2, 4, 8, 10. Here we can observe 1, 2, 4, 8, 10. These are not equally spaced points. That means the difference in between the values of x0 x1 is not same compared to the before methods. So in this problems we can better to choose Newton's divide difference formula for finding unknown function. Here the given unknown function is y dash of 4. Here let's see the solution. Here you see the values of x are not equal spaced points, so we shall use Newton's divide difference formula. For finding Newton's, by using Newton's divide difference formula, first we can draw a Newton's divide difference table. Here we see the Newton's divide difference table. X and y values are given. Here the x values are 1, 2, 4, 8, 10. We write the values of x 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, and similarly write the y values 0, 1, 5, 21, 27. 0, 1, 5, 21, 27. Here we know the formula. First difference is 1 minus 0, that means y1 minus y0 by 2 minus 1, that means x1 minus x0 gives the value is y of x0 x1. And similarly second difference is second value is 5 minus 1 by 4 minus 2 gives y 2, that means y of x1 x2. Similarly find the for third difference, 21 minus 5 by 8 minus 4. Here the value is y of x2 x3. Here the value is y of x3 x4. Here the first difference values we can find by using Newton's difference table using these formulas. Second difference also same. The difference between 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 gives the value of second difference of first value, and 4 minus 2 by 8 minus 2 1 by 3, and similarly 3 minus 4 by 10 minus 4 gives the value third value, and third difference is same. 1 minus 3 minus 1 by 3, 8 minus 1 equals to 0, and similarly 3 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3 by 10 minus 2, here the value is, and finally up to the single digit value can find out the difference values and substitute these values in Newton's divide difference formula. By in Newton's divide difference formula, we know y of x is equals to y naught, and we already seen formula for finding an unknown function. Here the y of x is the unknown function. Here the formula is y naught plus x minus x naught into y of x naught x1 plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 y of x naught x1 x2 plus x minus x naught x minus x1 and x minus x2 into y of x naught x1 x2 x3 and so on. Here the first value of y naught is, we know the value of y naught is 0, and substitute the value of substitute the values in given formula, and x minus x naught, the x naught value we already known 1, and similarly find out substitute the remaining values. X minus x naught means 1, x1 means 2, and x minus 2 into 1 by 3. Here the value of x naught x1 means x naught x1 means here the first difference, first value is 1, substitute the value of 1, and x naught x1 x2, here the second difference value, first value gives the y of x naught x1 x2, and that is 1 by 3, and similarly third difference value is 0, gives the value of y of x naught x1 x2 x3 0, and similarly find out the fourth difference and substitute the all values in given formula, and finally we get the polynomial like this, and substitute the value of x. We know the value of x already given in problem, y dash of 4, the value of x is 4, so substitute the value of x in given polynomial for finding given finding polynomial is 2x by 3. Here by solving this equation we get like this, and y dash of x means the differentiation of y of x gives the y dash of x value, means here the x square by 3 gives the value 2x by 3, and 1 by 3 is constant, that value is 0, and similarly the differentiation of this equation is 4x cube minus 15 into 3 45 x square plus 140x minus 120. Substitute the value of x in this equation, and we get the value of y dash for 4. Finally y dash of 4 equals to 2.833. This is the final answer. In this we can find out the unknown function by using Newton's divide difference formula. Thank you friends.